Hello, 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 everybody. Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. Um, and happy new month. It's July 1st, guys. We're in the swing of things. I want to say welcome everybody to the Mind Your Business podcast, where we express a lot of concerns about wellness, about mental health, about a whole bunch of stuff. And really kind of get into the things. But I wanted to say hi, everybody. We just left one holiday, Juneteenth, and it seems like this holiday came upon us so fast. Um, I just want to say enjoy the fireworks. Um, it's going to be a great weekend. Um, Friday is D-Day, so you guys have fun and enjoy. Um, What did I have to talk about today? Something interesting happened today. I was on Instagram and I was looking at this post, and this young lady was talking about energy, right? And people don't usually buy, products or anything that you're selling, even if you're on a job. People don't really like um what should I say? If you're in healthcare, if you're in I mean, it's just like people just, they buy you, just your energy, your aura. If you smiled, you know what I mean? It's just something about good energy. You just can't beat it. Um, it's contagious. It's refreshing. um just a good genuine smile that you know that's not fake. It's just something about it, right? And people purchase that when they see you. If you're into sales and they see you, that's what people purchase. If you're into sales on food, like the food could be great, it could taste really good, but if you're not a nice person, people won't buy it, right? um And I want to go deeper. If you think that energy really doesn't matter, or you probably think, well, I don't really care if people smile or not, why do they have customer service surveys? They usually don't ask you about the product. They usually ask you about customer service. Even when they're on the phone, they usually ask you, how was the agent? Did they help you? How was the customer service representative? Did they help you? Was your problem solved? They didn't ask you if, they gave you an extra day to pay your bill. They wanted to know what that person on the phone did. So it's important for you to have great energy, even if you're working on a job or you're working for yourself. Energy matters. Smiling matters. Customer service matters. I don't know anybody that gets away with not smiling, not being nice, not being um, just mean, nasty. I don't think you'll have a business. And you can put it in the comments if you just know a nasty, mean business that is in operation. I mean, even if it's in, it doesn't last long. So that's just how it goes. And with that said, people remember how you make them feel. That's why they ask for customer service surveys. Because the first thing you hear is a kind voice, and then you want to move forward, right? First thing you probably might see at a desk, at a front desk, is a nice smiling face, right? And then you might proceed to do business with that person. If you don't see a nice smiling face, then bad energy is also contagious, right? And it just ruins your day. Um, You kind of want to know. You get so caught up if you don't really watch out for bad energy. You get so caught up that that person's bad energy, you wanting to figure out why were they so nasty and why did they have bad energy is going to ruin your day. So that's how it transfers. That's how energy transfers. That's how um people get to just mess with your aura, mess with your life because you give them that entryway. So if they're nasty to you and you're kind back and then you just let it go and leave it alone, it doesn't take foot, doesn't go any further. It just landed and it's on the ground, right? But if you start thinking about it and meditating, well, why was she so nasty? I said hi. Why is she always so nasty? I don't understand it. Then you just gave that bad energy entryway into your life. So just let it go. Is it human nature to not? Of course. I want to cuss a few people out. I really do. Yeah. If I could make a list, I would. But I don't have that much time and I really could care less. I just think that I'm wired different. I don't stay mad very long. I won't forget, but I just won't stay mad very long because my I just rather preserve my peace and my energy than give it any entryway. Now, will I put you in your place? Oh yeah, I will, in the nicest possible way. Will I set you on a straight path? Oh yes, I will. Will I defend myself? Oh yes, I will. But it'll just stay right there and then we'll keep on moving because it's so much life to live and things to do outside. Like I just don't have the time to be angry and nasty. So um energy matters. I just wanted to say that today. Um if you give off bad energy, it is contagious to others. And that's just a fact. And if you give good energy, then that is also contagious to others, right? Especially if you're in business, especially if you're working for someone and customer service is at the forefront. Even if you're not working for somebody, can we just at least be nice and human to everybody that is in our space? Like I'm not expecting you to be perfect. Like you're not gonna have a great day every day. But I would think about 80% of the year, right? And then whatever you put out, you also get back. So if you're putting out bad energy and this stank, just this nasty attitude, always upset, always arguing, always miserable, then you're going to get that energy back. And then you're just going to remain in that nasty bubble. But if you get good energy and you're in a good space and things are good and you always try to find the good in things and when you feel that bad energy coming along, you find a way to like get rid of it, shake it off. Like that's maturity, that's growth, right? And then you usually get that energy back. It's usually positive and you get some really cool people that you work with and become friends with, and you have a better life than just being miserable and having miserable friends and always talking about miserable situations. Okay, so I hope this helped today. Every day is not going to be a good day, all right, but at least we can find the good in every day. So that's all I wanted to say. As I said again, happy 4th. Enjoy, have a really good time. Um, I don't even know what I'll be doing. I don't have any plans. Usually, when my kids were younger, we would go and do fireworks. But everybody's grown and older, and fireworks is not that exciting anymore. So I don't know. And to me, it's just a hassle because if I'm out there, I want to take a cooler and take some fruit, and so I'd have to pack all that stuff up. I don't know. So I'm thinking about it. I might do fireworks, or I might just put my feet up. Um, yeah. So I just want to say, please like, share, and subscribe to your Mind Your Business podcast. And please comment below if you wanted me to talk about anything. I will. I do appreciate the comments. So I will talk about it if you do have anything that we can talk about. I hope this helped you. Good energy helps your business. People can feel smiles and hear it over the phone. So please smile. A smile a day does keep bad energy away, and it keeps your face from wrinkling and keeping you from, looking old and miserable. So please like, share, and subscribe. As always, mind your business. Okay? Mind it. And if that means that straightening out your attitude, straighten out, the way you talk to people and the way you treat people, that's growth. Okay, work on it just a little bit every day, and we'll get better at it. I want to say thank you guys for always tuning in and listening to me. I appreciate it, and see you on the next Mind Your Business podcast. See ya. Bye.